Hey guys, I just thought I'd just do a video on how I've constructed the bridge. So obviously these sections here, these are basically made from wood, a wood base. Here is an example, and this one actually has the centre cut out of it, just with the Triton. So it's got a solid wooden base to it, and then the sides here, this is micro engineering. They're 85 foot cut down by a quarter, so I've taken a quarter out of it, which gives you roughly the 66 feet that I need. So each one of these pylons here, so the pylon there and on top of there, that's Tassie oak, and it looks a bit like this when it's in the raw format. So it's just the angles here, that's 4 degrees, 4 degrees, 4 degrees, 4 degrees, and that can be done on the drop saw. Okay, on the top of this up here, that is 9mm MDF. So this is one that didn't quite work, so obviously it's not required for the rest of the bridge. So they're all planted in, as you can see there. That gives you the amount of depth that I've put in to the frame here. And each one of those sits in an MDF 6mm by 6mm cup. So it's like a C cup. Sits in there like that. So a bit of C channel all the way through, and that C channel goes from there all the way across here and right through to there. So that gives support for the whole area right across. So yeah, that's basically it. And then of course, where we have these sections here, where there's a joint in the board, okay, and as you can see down there, there's the female banana plug, and that's the male on this side. That also does the power. So all you got to do is just join it like so, and bingo, bridge is joined. Actually, it's not sitting right up. There we are, sitting down now. Okay, easy done. So can't really think of a more simpler way to join your ginormous bridge when you decide to build it. So the same thing's been done here. This is the one large through truss bridge. Obviously it's longer than the rest. So if I grab this through truss, we stick it here, you can see it's very long. It's a lot longer than the others. This is to scale. It's all been cut to scale. This is actually made out of 6mm MDF here. That's Tassie oak, and that's Tassie oak as well. So, and then I've cut out the ends here like this, and you can see there is the female plug, and that's the male plug there. And again, same deal on this side, not a problem. Okay, so that's actually scratch built, that section there. I'll get off the water in a minute because it's still drying. These sections here are made from this single truss, single track through truss bridge. Okay, so this is from Walthers. I need 3 of these to do these 2. Okay, so you've got to extend it obviously by 2 of those. So each one's got to be a lot bigger than what it is. So you sort of sacrifice one bridge kit to get you 2 of these. So that's what I used out of that. And then again, the pylons here, they're Tassie oak. They're 2 together, glued together like that. And that's the end result. Okay, that's just a quick show you and a how-to for what I did with the actual bridge. Okay, I'll have it back together before you know it. Thank you very much. Cheers.